Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve video quality in Adobe After Effects. So to do this is pretty simple. So here in Effects and Preset, I want you to search for Sharpen and drag that to your clip and also Unsharpen Mask. So here for the sharpen amount, we'll have to do this to 50. So this depends on the lighting of your own video. So mine's already sharpened enough, so this will work for most, and some for others it won't. So you'll have to adjust the preset to your liking. So you want to do the sharpen amount to 100, and as you can see, it's sharpened now. For this only applies to low light videos, but mostly in highlight videos this will also work. So right here it's gonna be a little bit tad brighter than your usual video, and it's gonna be more sharpened and more detailed. So mine's already sharpened, so I really don't have to do this anymore, but there's gonna be a noticeable difference right here. So when you reset this, so there, mine's already at 4K 60 FPS, so I really don't have to do this. But if you have a low quality video, this will apply to it. So there you go guys, that is how you improve your video quality here in Adobe After Effects. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.